Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on this laptop. In order to perform the factory reset operation on your device, you gotta open the Start menu, then go to the Settings, then select System and go to Recovery. In Recovery you're gonna have to click Reset PC. Then you're gonna have to choose whether to keep your files or remove everything. If you choose to keep your files, basically you will perform a settings reset, which is not quite hard or factory reset, because all of your files and all of the data will basically stay on your device. So if you want to perform the full factory reset, select remove everything. Then if you are connected to the internet, you'll be able to choose whether to perform a cloud download or the local reinstall. Now if you select the cloud download, you will get a fresh new Windows copy from the from the Microsoft servers, and I recommend using this option if you're preparing your device for selling, or if you suspect that files on your laptop are corrupted, or maybe if you suspect that there is a malware on your device, then surely go with the cloud download. It will take a little bit more time, but you will get a fresh copy of Windows, and it will surely solve your problem. Now otherwise, if you just want to perform a factory reset and you're sure that your files on your computer are fine, you can select local reinstall, then click next, or excuse me, let's go back one step. Let me return right here. So return remove everything and local reinstall, and then on this window you also have one more setting to change. So select change settings, and here you'll be able to decide whether to just remove your files, which is quicker but less secure if you select no option, or if you switch it to yes, you'll clean the drive completely, which will take hours, but it will make harder to recover your files. So basically, if you want to prepare your device for reselling, then surely go with the yes option. Just as well as in this situation, if you suspect that there is a malware on your computer, then also I highly recommend to go with the yes option. I'm only gonna select no because I don't want this video to be that long. Then confirm, click next, and wait until Windows gets things ready. Select reset, and then wait until the factory reset operation is performed. And at this point the factory reset operation is finished. If you want to perform a setup process on your laptop right now, we have an entire video on our channel, even 2 videos on our channel on how to do that, either with or without a Microsoft account. So if you need one of these videos, go ahead and check it out, and that will be all for this one. So thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.